Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Want to eat something delicious? Then here's an easy cutlet recipe which you can make quickly and impress your loved one. Chicken cutlet are a tastiest way to enjoy chicken breast. These make a great snack or appetizer or a starter for parties or weekend meals. Without any delaying, let's start. Here I'm taking 500 grams boneless chicken breasts. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into small pieces. For the chicken marination, add half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon ginger powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder. If you don't have, you can add a tablespoon ginger garlic paste and some salt and give it a good mix and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a large potato around 300 grams, wash it and cut it into small pieces. Take a vessel, add half a cup of water, then add marinated chicken pieces. Cook for 10 minutes or until it turns tender and soft. Meanwhile, steam the potato. You can also cook the potato along with some water. Mix the chicken frequently. Now our potato is well cooked. Take it out the potato and chicken pieces. Let them cool down. Take a large onion, chop it very finely. Chop some curry leaves and coriander leaves. Take a piece of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic and 3 green chillies and crush it. Peel off the boiled potatoes, mash it and add it into a big bowl. Shred the chicken pieces or you can pulse it using a grinder. To make chicken cutlet, heat a tablespoon oil in a pan and add 4 to 5 crushed cardamom and finely chopped onions. Once the onions are soft, then add crushed ginger garlic chili paste and chopped curry leaves. Give it a mix and add our leftover chicken stock masala. Mix it. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon red chilli powder and some salt. Saute for a minute, then add shredded chicken, mix it well combined. Turn off the heat, then add the chicken masala into the mashed potato and also add chopped coriander leaves and combine everything together. You should be able to hold shape when rolled into balls. Roll a small portion of the mixture into a medium-sized ball and flatten it between the palms to give it shape, or you can make your own shape. Similarly, do it for the rest. It makes around 15 cutlets from this mixture. For coating, break 2 eggs in a bowl, add half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons milk and beat it well. We also need some breadcrumbs. Dip the cutlets in beaten eggs and then roll it into breadcrumbs. Now let's fry the cutlets. To shallow fry, heat some oil. You can also deep fry. Place the cutlets and fry until it turns golden brown. The cutlets are nice and brown on one side. Now flip it to the other side and again fry until it turns golden brown. Now our cutlets is done. Remove from the oil and place it on wire rack to keep the cutlets crispy for a long time. And the cutlets are ready for make our evening special. Hope you'd like it. Do try out at your home and let me know your feedback. Please do like and share along with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Also follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. Wait for what next in Shafa's Healthy Kitchen. Until then, stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.